Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 multiplayer attestation error. Basically, the error is specifically attestation requirement not met. In this video, I'll show you how to fix them. Just before we do begin though, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, you have to go ahead and check if TPM is currently enabled. To do that, just go ahead and click on your start menu right over here, then type in TPM, and it'll show you to the security processor right over here. Click on it, and as you can see on the specification, if your specification version is 2.0, then your TPM is currently enabled. As you can see, TPM specification subversion, both attestation is ready and storage is ready. So once you go ahead and check that, that's not the problem. Go ahead and close that out. And if it's actually ready in both of those and everything is checked, you can go ahead and just do a simple reset on your PC or a restart on your PC and relaunch the game. And sometimes it just doesn't sync. So sometimes a simple restart will fix it. Now next is your secure boot. So I have here a list of secure boot to use. So if you have this manufacturer as your PC, currently mine is a Dell one. So once I go ahead and restart my PC right over here, once I press restart, go ahead and spam my F2 right over here. While it's opening up, it will put me into BIOS. Now in the BIOS, I want you to go ahead and look for secure boot and select reset or restore factory keys. Make sure to turn that on as well, as Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 needs an anti-cheat system for the secure boot. Next, make sure that UEFI is currently turned on. To do that, click on your start menu once more, and then UEFI, click on right over here, change advanced start options. Go ahead and restart now, and you will be on your UEFI, which is for the BIOS partition mode. Once there, go ahead and make sure that secure boot is also on right over there. Basically, it is the same one that I mentioned earlier. So just go ahead and check on that as well. Next is restart your CUD broker service. To do that, just go ahead and click on your keyboard Windows plus R, then type in right over here services.mc. Once done, go ahead and click OK. A window will pop up just like so, and then look for cod.broker.service. Once you click on it, go ahead and right click on it and then click on restart. Once done, close that out, click on the tray right over here, exit Steam, relaunch Steam, and relaunch your game, and it should be working. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.